Imagine turning a rundown property into a gold mine. What if you could predict its future value with precision? Welcome to the world of ARV. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Understanding the after-repair value, ARV, is essential for real estate investors looking to make informed decisions. ARV, or after-repair value, is the estimated value of a property after all necessary repairs and improvements have been made. For example, if an investor buys a home for $200,000 and spends $50,000 on repairs, they would want to make sure the ARV is at least $300,000. This metric not only guides investors in their renovation decisions, but also influences whether they choose to flip the property or hold on to it for rental income. Properties with a clear ARV strategy tend to sell 20% faster than those without one. Investors who accurately calculate ARV are more likely to secure financing, as lenders closely evaluate projected values when approving loans. To calculate ARV, one must analyze comparable properties, or comps, in the same area that have recently sold. It's important to consider not just the sale prices, but also the conditions of these properties. Unique to ARV discussions, many overlook the impact of neighborhood trends. An improving area can significantly boost ARV. Comparable sales are essential in determining ARV since they provide a benchmark for what similar properties have sold for in the vicinity. When selecting comps, look for properties with similar square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and overall condition. Consider the time frame of these sales. Recent transactions, within the last 3 to 6 months, are more reflective of current market conditions. Renovations can dramatically influence a property's ARV, but not all upgrades yield the same return on investment. Kitchen and bathroom remodels often provide a higher percentage of cost recouped compared to other improvements. Knowing which renovations add value requires research into market preferences and trends. Market conditions can significantly affect ARV calculations. During a seller's market, ARVs may be inflated due to competitive bidding. Conversely, in a buyer's market, ARVs may drop as sellers are forced to lower prices to move their properties. Keeping an eye on interest rates and economic indicators can provide insights into upcoming shifts in market conditions. Many investors fall into traps when calculating ARV, such as overestimating the property's potential value or underestimating repair costs. To avoid these pitfalls, create a detailed spreadsheet that outlines all expected costs and potential selling prices based on various scenarios. Obtaining a professional appraisal can provide an unbiased perspective on a property's value after repairs. Appraisers use standardized methods and have access to extensive market data that can help validate an investor's calculations. In today's digital age, various tools and software can help investors calculate ARV more accurately and efficiently. Online platforms provide access to real-time data on property sales, market trends, and renovation costs. Utilizing these technologies not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy in your calculations. Calculating the after-repair value, ARV, accurately is essential for real estate investors as it helps them determine how much profit they could make after fixing up a property. It's important to factor in the cost of repairs when calculating ARV. Research shows that kitchen and bathroom renovations usually provide the best return on investment. Evaluating the after-repair value, ARV, can be tricky, and making mistakes in this process can lead to significant financial losses for real estate investors. One common error is relying on outdated or irrelevant comparable sales. Properties that sold years ago may not reflect current market conditions. Exploring properties and insights on platforms like growthsense.com is essential for real estate investors looking to make informed decisions. Stay ahead in the real estate game. Visit growthsense.com for more insights and turn your property dreams into reality. Your future in real estate starts now.